these are the spices I'll be using for the seasoning. I've got here 2 tablespoons of black peppercorns and 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt. My garlic, ginger, and then with the fresh spices, I've got mixed chili, and then coriander, parsley, and basil. I've got 6 fish stock cubes because the mackerel is about 15, and then I have my chicken stock cubes as well. So let's get them together. I almost forgot this. So that is spring onions. Okay, so that's the ginger and garlic. I've just washed my fresh herbs. I'm going to chop the fresh herbs into pieces and then I will blend them together. I've got my mackerel here. I'm literally going to cut off the head of each of them, take away all these bits, the fin, and then remove the nasty bit in the middle. Ready for seasoning. I also have my chicken drumsticks. I'm going to wash them and I will do the first part of the seasoning. This is going to the bin. Then literally I'll put a casserole here. And all this nasty bit. Yep, all of this going to the bin. When I buy these, I like to do it myself so that I can literally wash it better. Our mackerel is now ready. It's well cleaned. I've taken out all the stuff in the middle. Okay, so next thing is to season it. So that's the spices. It's all blended nicely. I'll do the same with the mackerel. Okay, so we're getting very close to the final stages. I'm now going to literally mash this together. This is the chicken stock cube and I'll add it to the chicken, and that is the fish stock cube. I will also mix it together and add it on the fish. So next thing is literally just spread it on and then I'll mix it together. The same with the fish. So the herbs is literally my main base. They are the main base spice, but the chicken, the only time that the stock cubes change is depending on what I'm doing. If it's fish, then it's fish stock cube. If it is chicken, chicken stock cube. If it is lamb, lamb stock cube. Always make sure that when you are using the spices, you make sure you put it in the middle. All the stock cubes have been added. I'm going to put this in freezer bags and it's going to go in the freezer for as long as until we need to cook them. Okay, we are done. So that's the mackerel all in the freezer bags, and that's my chicken. So that's the leftover of the spices. I'm going to be making plantain kebabs, so I will use this for that. Watch out for that video. I always take my time to season my fish, chicken or meat and literally leave it in the freezer for long before I use it, because it helps the meat or the fish to be tasty. Apart from that, it's time convenient, okay, it's time efficient. One of our aims in Single with a Life and Married with a Life is to make the most of the time. So doing it this way means that anytime I want to cook, I can just go and pick one and use it, which is better than always having to chop all these spices and blend them and season, and it's all about time. And if you are in ministry, you are working full time, and you are a mother and a wife, you know that you do not have that luxury with time. So I literally have to always be planning ahead of time. And having this excess there also means that if I want to make any quick meals, I can just use these spices that I've already blended in advance, and it makes life easier. Also, the fresh spices are healthy, and this is also cost effective. Okay, so you don't have to be wasting so much money going to the shop every time just to pick spices and so forth. So you're also cutting down the time that you will travel to the shop or you walk to the shop, and time is money. Okay, so it looks like my baby's calling me, so I will just leave you guys here. Please remember to click on the thumbs up if you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Bye for now.